In the last video, we had a quick run through of the mix console. Now in this video, let's talk more about adding audio insert effects. So I'm going to jump back to the mix console. I'm going to bring this back up and I'm going to click over here to open up the inserts. Now, if I want to add an insert, I can click here. It opens up the add inserts view. This is categorized by different types of inserts, or I could use the search functionality over here. So maybe on this pad, I want to add a chorus effect. So under modulation, I've got my Steinberg chorus. I can click that, solo it, now play it back. Let's say I want to increase the width and change the sync to not syncing to the tempo, but to a hertz rate, and then adjusting the mix. I can deactivate the effect there or bypass it over here. Let's maybe increase that rate. It's a bit crazy. We'll make it less. So that's how to add your first insert effect. I've got another block here if I want to add something else. So maybe let's add a delay. Now I type delay and I want to go for my ping pong delay. For this, I want to use, let's say, some 16th notes, adjust this filter and play back. Adjust that mix and the spatial amount. So that was quite short to repeat, so let's rather go for some 8th notes. Change that filter and feedback. So what we got here are two insert effects. You've got your audio coming in, it hits the chorus first, and then the ping pong delay. Now, what if you want to change the signal chain order of each insert? Maybe I want the chorus to go after. I can just drag it, drop it down here, it drops to another slot, and if I want to do something else before, I can. So let's say I click here and I type distortion. I've got my distortion effect here. I'm going to add some slight boost into the signal. And as you can see, it's just changing that waveform and changing the output. So as you can see, it's very easy to add an effect and change its routing. Now, what if you want to change the signal chain order of each insert? So let's say I want to take this chorus and move it across to the synth over here. I'll just drag it and it moves it from here to here. But if I want to copy it, I need to hold down Alt or Option, drag it back. You see this little plus sign, and now that's going to copy it across. And if you just want to view a plugin, you can just click on this E option here that goes to the edit view where it brings back up the plugin so you can make some changes to it, and then you can close it again. And then obviously if you want to bypass it, you can just click over here. So you could bypass all the effects and then play it back again and then decide which ones you want to bring back. And if you want to bypass all the effects, you can click over here and that's going to bypass all those effects on that channel. So that is how to add some inserts, choose different types of effects, change the routing or signal chain routing of them, and then also how to move and copy them across and bypass your effects.